Welcome to our guide on using free AI workflow templates from MindPal. One of the standout features of MindPal is the collection of ready-to-use AI workflow templates that can help you streamline your tasks. There are two methods to use these templates. Method 1. Accessing templates from your MindPal account. First, log into your MindPal account. Once you're signed in, click on Workflows on the left side of your dashboard. A list of various free AI workflow templates will be displayed. Navigate through the categories to find what you're looking for. In this example, we'll choose the Repurpose Blog Post AI workflow. Click the Duplicate this template for free button and review the workflow to see if you want to add any steps. When you're satisfied, hit the Run button at the top right of your dashboard. Next, paste the URL of the blog post you want to repurpose, then click Start Reading URL. Once you see the green message saying, MindPal has successfully learned the URL, hit Start. Immediately, the workflow will begin fetching content for the given URL and repurpose it into different social media posts, a marketing email, and generate an image that fits the content. If you're not satisfied with any result, you can always click Regenerate. Finally, you can share the results on social media or export them as a PDF or docx file. Method 2. Accessing templates from the main website. Alternatively, you can access MindPal's AI workflow templates directly from their website. Scroll down until you see a variety of free AI workflows ready to use in different domains, such as business, e-commerce, education, marketing, sales, SEO, and more. Like before, we'll select the Repurpose Blog Post tool. To gain insights about this tool, scroll down the page to find information about what it does, how to use it, when to use it, and whether you can customize it. Now, scroll back up to enter the URL of the blog post you wish to repurpose. Click Start Reading URL and press Submit. Once you see the message, Successfully learned the URL, the tool will generate outputs. The tool will create posts for various social media platforms, a marketing email, and an illustration image prompt. If you don't like any output, you can hit Regenerate or Edit. Finally, you can share the results through social media or export them to a PDF or docx file. And that's it. You now know how to use free AI workflow templates from MindPal effectively. With these tools at your disposal, you can enhance your productivity and streamline your processes effortlessly.